damn, that's like my sense of humor. Like, they're so masterfully picked to fit specifically my sense of humor. That's wondrous.
Yeah?
Okay, I made a macro of this.
That's how I felt
fucking
revisiting my
insane level.
TikTok reposts after like half a year after I quit. I'm like, damn, like that's some good stuff right there.
Oh, you're such a prankster.
Oh, what? Oh, okay, that was.
No, that wasn't directly at you.
What's the process? It initially was, but then he saw your facial expression just change into horror, and then took it back.
Wait, what?
And Stoppo said that someone was a prankster. Ow! What the fuck?
I don't really control that, honestly. Just try to find the anything. Probably it wasn't. Maybe it was autumn. Maybe it wasn't spring.
Spring mains cannot be trusted.
I was gonna say I introduced you with Spring Main, but
The fucking absolutely not! How dare you!
I'm just like.
To me, they.
What the hell was I saying? Like,
how does it always get these things, right?
okay, I found it. I found the image I was looking for. Here it is.
Stop down at 48 or else I'm gonna nod someone.
Hold up. Yorn for?
Bjorn?
Joe.
I don't get it. I mean, sure, it's funny.
This is like a ripoff
Balcony.
where like they like import like the cheapest clothes possible, like Chinese translated labels, fake brands, like.
Yeah, hold up. Yeah, I just realized take in the sin and enjoy like Jordan for.
Oh, T-boy.
Yeah. I wasn't.
No. Take in the sin. This is a child's shirt. This is like for a 7-year-old.
Like those Japanese tattoos that like says like, you know, yeah.
It's the topic of conversation.
Last
Funny.
image in VC chat. Like I saw that IRL. Like I
Thank you.
have no words.
Huh?
picked up because it looked cool and it was top 30.
You did it.
Did you beat it?
I did
Yeah.
GG.
GG. Yeah.